I got that tile in. Remember when I floated this, it's a little high over here, and I thought I might have to shim this. And as I'm standing on this, see, it can flex, and it's coming up here, and it looks like I could raise it up right in this corner. If I do that, I think that's the only thing. That's the only thing I need to do to this tile. Right there. Okay. Lucky for me, I got my shims, and I can cut a little shim, put it in there. I can see about the thickness of it is, let's see what I got here. See about that thick? That's about what I need right there. That's probably too thick. That's about right. That's what I need. Right in that corner. Okay. We're going to pull that out just like I did before. So I can get my hands under there. Okay. Arch back in here. My shim buckler. Right. VideoJoe. Right in there. I think that'll work. And I measured over 12 inches to where that is, where this line is. So I know where it goes. More. And these tiles here are adjustable. I can slide that over and over, because now this has to go that way. Be tight. I had it up there before. Before I do that, let me just step on this. It's pretty good. Okay. Let's see if I can't just slide it over. Okay, that's looking good. Now this outside one slides over, and this one slides over that way. And to know exactly where that one goes, because see, that goes underneath. I can just measure 12 inches right here. Wow. It's right there. Got 12 over there. This looks like this has to come back a whole lot. Jeez. See where this corner is. That should technically be right in there, but it's not. I'll have to look at this a little bit more closely. 12. I could cheat that way just a fraction. Like that. Oh, you know what it is too. I'm going to leave that one alone. This one could very well be different because they've got 3 tiles. Boom, boom, boom. And then there's another short tile that goes in there. And I think that short tile is longer, wider, to where all 3 of these tiles are off sync. They're not exactly 12 inches here, and I believe that's what's going to happen. So I think that one is actually going to be pushed over a little bit. But we'll see. We'll see as we go, won't we? I think that's the scope and the scoop on that one. Okay? A little by little, I just keep on going, and that one looks good, and I may have to adjust that according to the next ones that I put down. Boom, boom, boom. I've got 3 full tiles here, and sure enough, I got 3 left. Okay, so I'll get a couple of these tiles down, and in fact, I can probably put all 3 of these tiles down, because they just use little pieces for the cuts there, and so I don't have to match up exactly, kind of like how I did these over here. Okay, that's just the way they did it, and I guess it worked. So onward and upward, getting my next tile over here. Huff and puff and get these tiles in. You know, I keep thinking I have to work this way. I can just go this one and drop it down that way. That's all. I think that's what I'll do, because I'm getting up close to the rail over here. I'm going to just resituate this thing, and I'm going to set the tile this way and drop it down that way this time. Yeah, that's all. I was thinking I was going to have to drop it, scoot up next to the rail. Silly beanie. Alright, where is that next tile? They just work slow and methodically, and you can get it. I'm no spring chicken anymore, but you don't have to be. You can do this. Swivel it by little. Make sure you have your back support on, and use your legs how you need to. Try not to use your back too terribly much. You will be sore tomorrow. You are going to be sore. Oh, I missed the plywood. Pushed it right down on my fingers. Yowza. Right down on my fingers. I missed that. Well, how I did that. Well,